So welcome guys, in this tutorial we shall be looking at the bearing, the feeder bearing support. This will be two. We shall have left and right. So straight away we shall begin with a simple sheet metal. It will be done on a top surface. So it will measure 25 by 150. Remember, these are millimeters. Then we shall do a sheet metal flange, thickness 3 millimeters. So we shall do edge flange steel of 30 mm. We shall do that. From here, I'm going to do a simple sketch whereby this is going away. So we shall do extrude cut like that. Expert is going to be filleting these edges. Ten mm like that. Then we shall it's normal, do a simple line, send up there, then shall divide it. Actually shall draw a circle in the center, 16 in diameter, and we extrude cut. Say okay. So having done that, I'm going to do a simple sketch. Convert this, then offset it 2 millimeters. That you have something similar to that. Then we shall use both extrude. We shall extrude it to 10 mm like that. So having reached this level, we shall make this normal like that. Then we draw a line running like this. We shall do 2 circles, one here, another here. So on this edge you have 45 of 10 mm. So in between and that we have 69. So 10 mm. Shall do extrude cut like that. So here I'm going to trim it a bit. Seven mm. Extrude cut. So I'll do that. Yeah. So having reached this level, we are going to do this here will be supported by springs. So to make a simple rectangle here, it is 10 mm. Eight millimeters. Yeah, then we have a circle. That's 3.8. Then you have 5.5. 85. Yeah, so shall extrude going down. I say up to the surface. Select this and also merge. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, this will be for the left, and how to do the right one. Still, we shall save. Feeder bearing support. Right side. And you say okay. So if you want to do the left, yeah, you come here. First select this part, and you come and say insert, then mirror part. Say okay. Yes. Yeah, then you do save as. So this is feeder bearing left side. Left side. Yes, thank you so much for that. Keep around for the next video.